Good morning, student. In this class, we have to continue the third lesson problem, numerical problem, fourth problem. So in this fourth problem, a Bohr magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. That strength is given, that is field strength is given B, and also the Bohr magnet oriented the angle 30 degree with the external field. It can experience as a torque value is given. So now find the magnetic moment of the magnet and also find the work done by the applied force in moving it for stable configuration and for unstable configuration. Then we have to find out the work done by applied magnetic field in this case. So let's find the solution now. Given B is equal to 0.8 Tesla, then theta is equal to 30 degree, then tau is equal to 0.2 Newton meter. So first we have to find out the magnetic moment. So tau is equal to P into B sin theta, that is a value. So from this tau value, that is torque, we have to find out the PM value. PM is equal to tau divided by B sin theta. So tau value is 0.2 divided by B value is given and also sin 30. Then finally you will get 0.2 divided by 0.8 into 1 by 2. So cancel and minimize all the values and you will get 1 by 2 value is equal to 0.5 ampere meter square. That is the magnetic moment value. Next we have to find out the work done. Before that we have to find out the stable configuration and also the unstable configuration. First we have to find out the stable configuration work done. So first work done, UI, that is initial work done, is equal to minus PM B cos theta, that is the value. So UI is equal to minus PM B cos value at the initial. So we have to consider that is a Bohr magnet, north and south. Initial value theta is equal to 0 degree. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So apply that value and finally you will get UI is equal to minus PMB. Then unstable configuration. In this unstable configuration, work done by a external force, that is applied force. So UF, that is UF is a final work done. So UF is equal to minus PM B cos theta. So minus PM B cos theta value here is 180 degree. Unstable configuration. So 180 degree value is minus 1. So substitute this value and you will get UF is equal to PMB. So this is a value. And finally you have to find out the work done value. So work done by applied magnetic field, W is equal to final value minus of initial value. So UF minus UI. UF value PMB minus of initial value minus PMB. So is equal to PMB plus PMB. So finally you will get 2 PMB. PM value is already we are find out that. So 0.5 into 0.8. So totally 0.8 is joule is a work done by applied magnetic field. Next problem, fifth one. In this fifth one, a non-conducting sphere has the mass. So this is the non-conducting sphere has the mass of 100 grams and also the radius is 20 centimeter. It can be compact coil of wire. 5 turns is wrapped tightly around it. It is so 5 turns of wire is wrapped around this ball and also the sphere is placed on a inclined plane. So this is an inclined plane. It's placed on an inclined plane such that the plane of a coil is parallel to the inclined plane. So plane of the coil is parallel to that inclined plane. The ball is perpendicular to the plane. This coil is parallel to the inclined plane and also a uniform magnetic field is also given. So that is, this is the angle of magnetic field, that is B is equal to 0.5 Tesla. It can be exit in the region in vertically upward direction. So upward direction. So next we have to find out the current I value So it required to rest the sphere. So not able to rotate. So it can be able to rest the sphere. So how much of current is given? So we have to find out the current value here at equilibrium position. So it has to balance the both the values. So it can be able to rotate here in the inclined plane, but so how the current value, we have to give the current value to rest that ball at this position. So we have to give that current value. So we have to find out that value I is equal to what value. So because of this, to rest the sphere in that equilibrium position. Let's see the solution. Let's see this mass of the sphere m is given. So 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So radius is 20 centimeter, then 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Number of turns n is equal to, so in this ball they are wrapped in n is equal to 5 turns. So uniform magnetic field value is given 0.5 Tesla or 1 by 2 Tesla. Now find out the I value. So this is the figure they are given. So in this figure, the sphere is rotating in the inclined plane with the angle of, this is the angle theta value, and this is the magnetic field value, so upward direction. So this is the magnetic field value. So now the inclined plane, the sphere is rotating. So here the torque is produced, and also so this force mg value is splitted into two components. In these two components, mg sin theta and also mg cos theta. So this can be cancelled because it can be inside the incline. So now the rotation direction is, we have to take in the mg sin theta value only. So this is mg sin theta. So it can be taken as the force in sphere. So mg sin theta is equal to torque. So torque is a rotating value. So tau. So that is the equation here. So first equation. So mg. So here mg sin theta into here radius or value is taken. So mg sin theta or value is equal to torque. So first one, Fs is the force in sphere. So Fs or sin theta minus Pm b sin theta is a torque value is equal to 0. Now finally Fs or sin theta is equal to Pm b sin theta. So here sin theta cancel to each other, and finally Fs means that is mg r. Mg r is equal to, what is the value of here? Pm is equal to Ia. Here number of turns is also involved, so Nia. So here we have to cancel the sin theta value. So then you have to substitute the value of Niab. Then in this parameters we have to find out the I value. So I is equal to mgr divided by NAB. So is equal to, what's the value of m? So 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 into their g value 10 divided by n is the number of turns 5 into pi value here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of magnetic field, and also R value 20 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then finally you have to cancel so all the values and simplify. Then finally you will get the value of 2 divided by pi value. Then I is equal to 2 by pi ampere. So this is the current value. In this current value, it can able to stop the sphere at equilibrium position because of this magnetic field. So we have to apply the current value I in this sphere with the number of turns n. So it can able to stop that ball in the equilibrium position in the inclined plane. So this is a problem. Next one of the example problem, that is example 3.10. So here compute the, so find out the intensity of magnetization of the bar magnet whose mass, magnetic moment and density are given. So here solution. So in this value, the density of mass is, density is equal to general formula mass by volume. So here we have to find out the volume here. Volume is equal to mass by density. So mass by density, already the mass value is given. So 200 grams. So it can be converted into kilograms. So 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram divided by density. So density 8 grams centimeter per centimeter cube. So here 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, it can be converted into kilograms into 10 to the power 6 meter. Then substitute the values and finally you will get the volume 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So the magnitude of magnetic moment Pm is equal to, now find out the magnetic moment, 2A, that is ampere meter square is already given. So let's find out the intensity of magnetization. So I is equal to magnetic moment divided by volume. So magnetic moment already given, 2 divided by volume 25 into 10 to the power minus 6. So finally you will get M is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 ampere per meter.